This award ceremony brought on board around 290 facilities within the nine counties of Mount Kenya. About the Airbnbs, because this is where I want all of us to listen and listen very, very carefully. We are going and we have already started inspection of all Airbnbs facilities. Quite a number have come forward to register with the Tourism Regulatory Authority as spelled in a last press statement that was issued by government. So for those Airbnbs that have not come forward to register with the Tourism Regulatory Authority, just know your days are numbered and we are coming for you. Please stop operating an illegal business. We are here to support you. Register with us. Once you register, we'll license you, and once we license you, you will be having every right to do your business. We will support you through training. We'll ensure that you also maintain the security features that you have said, and we are working very closely with the private security regulatory authority to make sure that all the guests that you are onboarding are registered, so that we avoid these issues about the security that have bedeviled the country. The ones that have come forth to register, we are talking about almost 6,000 to around 8,000 so far that have come forth to register. We are anticipating to register in the next 1 to 2 months around 20,000 to 25,000. And the entire participant in this sector, as far as these short-term accommodation facilities are concerned, we are talking to the region of 40,000 to 50,000.